Welcome to Artsville, the city that always seems to strike the right note. Like here at the Artsville Arcade, where kids are competing to see who is the cello champion. In order to win, the player has to know how to turn a series of dots and squiggles into a beautiful piece of music. First up, whole notes. These notes look like open circles and are typically held for 4 counts or beats, like this. Next, half notes, which are half of a whole note, meaning they are typically held for 2 beats. Fill in the bottom of the half note, and it becomes a quarter note. The quarter note is typically held for just 1 beat. That sounds like this. Eighth notes. Even though these look like 2 quarter notes connected by a line, they are held for just half the time. Many times, that's just half a beat. And of course, along with notes, there are rests, which tell the musician when to stop playing. And knowing just how to put all these elements together, well, that takes practice. Like with anything, though, good practice pays off and allows you to make some beautiful art in the process.